Today I'm going to do a starter install on a 2006 Honda Accord V6, and basically every 2003 up to 2006 V6 is going to be like this. And the first thing you want to do is go ahead and just take out the battery. Okay, so once you've disconnected the battery, there's these little push pin plastic rivets. Take them out from right here. Once you got that out, you go ahead and remove the power cable from this little fastener. Take out your tray. And once you got your tray out, so once you have the battery out, there's two 10mm right here and right here bolts, and two 12mm right here. And once you take this tray out, you'll have access to that starter, and life will be so much easier. Okay, so to move this out of the way makes your life a little easier to get to the bottom of these 12mm bolts down here. And this tray just comes on out, and you don't even have to take that bolt all the way out because they're just kind of hooks on. You see there? Okay, so once you get the tray out, you have a 17mm bolt right here at the top. You also have one at the bottom. This is a 12mm right here, and this cable just unplugs. And you have another 12mm right here. Okay, once you get the starter unplugged, you're going to take out your 17mm bolt right there. There's another one. I can get down to it and show you. Right here at the bottom. Not too terrible to get to. And you are going to need a breaker bar. I went ahead and got the starter out. Pretty easy to get to. One thing I'd like to point out that, or two things, the longer bolt is on the bottom and the shorter bolt is on the top. Also, this doesn't come off. I didn't realize that because I couldn't see behind it. But a couple things just to point out. So just put it back on in and you're done. Okay, so when you get everything put back together, it should look like this. And always check your work, of course. And there you go. It works.